Thing about me, I ain't never been no hater, my nigga. Since Max touchdown, that boy been out here shining, looking real good, fucking the algorithm up. Like, you cannot turn nowhere without seeing this nigga.
Fuck you, Jermaine. You sound like a real turncoat right now, man. Charlie ain't gonna think that shit's so funny when Roscoe get a hold of this surveillance tape. I'm taking niggas down.
Man,
Me,
I'm
Melly,
just
right
saying, this nigga French took Max straight to the jeweler. You gave Melly some of your old pieces.
Fucking Max B.
Hey, French, look at these niggas on the corner, B. These niggas is salty. Cause the wave is back. You 1970 couch face ass nigga. I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy.
Man, I'm tired of this nigga. Motherfucking disrespect me for the last time, man. I'm about to rectify the situation. It's about to get real spooky.